Join me in solving Wordle 578. I'm still opening with irate. We've got an R and an A. I don't know where the R belongs, so I want to try to nail that down. It's not likely the next guess is going to be the word, so I can try something without the A to get an extra letter in there. Round works because that follows my usual principle of rounding out the selection of vowels, try some of the next most common consonants, and it tries the R in a different place. That's what I've used before. Okay. So it ends with a D, middle letter is an A, and by process of elimination, it's ARD. We know the last three letters now. Could be a couple of things. Shard comes to mind. Could also be chard, the vegetable. Or maybe sward. Could be award. I think I'm going to go with this one. It seems good. If it's not shard, which seems as reasonable as anything, it would put me on the right track if it's chard, if it's sward, and if there's nothing there, then maybe award would be the next thing to try. So, okay, it's got to be chard, right? Like, that's what's left. There it is. Fourth guess. It's close, but no. Got it in four, though. That's not bad. I'll take it. That takes the streak to a total of 361 consecutive days solving the Wordle. And it's actually tied now, 135 and 4 versus 135 and 3. I've been kind of watching that. Like I was excited when for a while it's been running with the number solved in 3 ahead of the number solved in 4, and I'm back to breaking even on that particular metric. I feel like looking at like the 3 and up and the 4 and under makes more sense. Like why? Like I'd be looking at that and say, oh, well, look, I've got more solved in 3 than in 4, and then one day I'd solve it in 5. I'd be like, well, that didn't change the difference between the 3s and the 4s, but like it should. I feel like that should have counted against me, right? Because it took me 5 guesses to get it today. It'd be nice to have like some way to distill down your Wordle score distribution to a single metric, but I'm really not sure how that would work. But there it is.